They're cheating me, sell the house like this to me. I don't know, it's going to be fixed at how much it will.
Got a corner of it on some wood there, but
if you look inside, it have a wire like burn out.
Strap there, so it looks like they just put 4 straps on it and just supported it, but that's not good enough.
No,
that's dangerous. Yeah. Dangerous. Yeah, it should have been supported better than that. Better than that.
I think I can sue them.
Did you pay them?
No, they get a real estate sell this house to me.
They got what now?
Real estate, you know the people that sell house.
Real estate.
I don't see the owner. I didn't see the owner, so
okay.
I sign on. You know, until have a problem check off. I just know that